How to buy options on Moomoo. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is basically open an options trading account first. So before you can trade options, you'll obviously need to open an options trading account. And there's a number of online brokers allowing for options trading. So it's important to do your research as to which one will be the best fit for your needs. So which options to buy or sell. So based on your research and investment strategy, you can identify which options you'd like to buy or sell. Then step 3 is consider the option strike price. So the next step in securing an option is to consider the option strike price. Investors will choose a strike price that suits their investment goals and objectives. So which is where the role of technical or fundamental analysis becomes so important in shaping a sound options trading strategy. And options codes, which are officially known as option change or matrix, cover the available strike prices buyers can choose from. So next step is determine the option time frame. So at this stage of your options trade, you'll need to determine the option time frame because as with the option strike price, your choice of option time frame is best supported by rigorous research and a strategic approach to the most likely time frame that may return a profit on your premium. And then step 5, decide whether to buy or sell and place your trade. So once you identified the underlying stock, selected the option strike price, and determined the option time frame, it's time to decide whether to buy or sell and to place your trade accordingly. Now, lastly is monitor your position. So many successful traders are understanding the importance of monitoring their position during the course of an option trade. So by keeping clear records, evaluating trades, and optimizing trading decisions, investors can continue to strengthen their approach to options trading, learning from past wins and losses in order to refine their strategy. And that is how you buy or trade options in Moomoo.